Welcome back, devs. Today we're breaking down top trending and best dev tool projects this week, and why they matter right now. You'll see tools that save setup time, improve workflows, and bring smarter automation into everyday development. Stick around to discover projects you can actually use today.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Installer. Simple GitHub binary installer. Here's something practical that feels like the next step forward for developers who constantly juggle tools and binaries. The Installer project is an open-source, Node.js-based service that lets you install command-line binaries straight from GitHub releases, with a single line of shell script. It runs on Node.js using the fast Hono framework, and serves as a port of an earlier tool, making it easy to download and install the latest or specific releases of tools without manual downloads or unpacking. You simply hit a curated URL pipeline, and the binary comes down and installs where you need it. It supports both normal and pre-release channels, lets you rename or relocate installed binaries, and even fetches artifacts from pull requests, if configured. It matters right now because managing developer tools across machines and CI environments can be slow and error-prone, and this gives a lightweight, scriptable solution. The repo includes build scripts, test tooling, and Cloudflare workers support for deployment. Limitation not specified in the repo. Roadmap not specified in the repo. Give it a try and see how quickly it becomes part of your routine. Project number 2, next.js AI-assisted diagram creation and editing. Here's something that feels like the next step forward for anyone who spends hours crafting diagrams. Next.js is an open-source web application built with Next.js that blends the familiar Draw.io diagram editor with modern AI smarts, so you can describe what you want and watch it appear, change, or improve right before your eyes. It turns natural language prompts into real Draw.io diagrams, supports image uploads to replicate and enhance existing visuals, and even keeps a history of your edits so you can go back in time on your work. The app uses the Versal AI SDK and supports multiple AI providers like AWS Bedrock, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google AI, Azure OpenAI, Ollama, and more, letting you pick the engine that suits your needs. Diagrams are stored and manipulated as Draw.io XML, giving you real flexibility and control. The project includes features like mobile layout improvements, prompt caching to reduce costs, and theme toggles to make the UI feel just right. Limitation not specified in the repo. Roadmap not specified in the repo. Try it today and watch how your workflow transforms instantly. Project number 3, InterviewKit, full-stack TypeScript monorepo template. Let's dive into the world of efficient app scaffolding with InterviewKit, a full-stack monorepo project that showcases best practices in modern TypeScript development. This repo brings together back-end services, front-end apps, and CLI tools under one roof, built with a powerful stack including TurboRepo, PNPM workspaces, MongoDB, Redis, Tailwind CSS, and Vite, giving developers a solid foundation to build scalable apps fast. The monorepo lets you run back-end API servers and front-end UIs together with hot reload and includes clear setup steps like spinning up databases with Docker Compose and running everything in parallel using a single command. It's designed for teams and solo builders who want a cohesive structure that supports both APIs and user interfaces without wrestling with separate code bases. While it doesn't list an explicit limitation or future roadmap, it serves as a practical, real-world starting point for building anything from internal tools to full SaaS platforms. Limitation not specified in the repo. Roadmap not specified in the repo. Explore it once and notice how much smoother your work feels. Project number 4, rsc-html-stream. Inject React server components into HTML. Here's something subtle but smart for modern web rendering workflows. rsc-html-stream is a compact JavaScript utility that lets you take a React server component's RSC payload on the server and stitch it into an HTML stream so the client can pick it up without an extra request. Instead of sending an HTML page and then separately fetching the RSC payload, this tool injects the server-rendered component stream directly into the initial HTML output as script chunks and reassembles it into a readable stream on the client. This improves performance by eliminating a round trip and lets developers deliver a seamless RSC experience while still using familiar streaming APIs. It works with standard streams on both the server and client, making it a lightweight addition to toolchains focused on server-side rendering and modern React workflows. Limitation, not specified in the repo. Roadmap, not specified in the repo. Give it a try and see how quickly it becomes part of your routine. Project number 5. Semver-php, Rust implementation of Composer Semver parsing. Here's something that quietly strengthens the backbone of package management for developers working with PHP-style versioning. Semver-php is a compact open-source library written in Rust that implements Composer's Semver specification, which has its own twists compared with standard Semver. It parses version strings, checks whether a version satisfies a constraint, filters and sorts lists of versions, and handles stability modifiers like -dev, -beta, and branch names, all while normalizing versions to a 4-component format. Because it's in Rust, common operations like parsing and sorting run significantly faster than in many traditional implementations, and the repo's benchmarks show consistent speedups in constraint checks and normalization tasks. The project is ideal for developers building tooling around PHP ecosystems who want reliable, fast constraint logic, and it even includes test suites and performance comparisons with the original PHP library. Limitation, not specified in the repo. Roadmap, not specified in the repo. Explore it once and notice how much smoother your work feels. Project number 6, CF-URL, terminal shortcuts for Cloudflare dashboard pages. Let's dive into a simple but practical productivity helper for engineers who juggle Cloudflare services from the command line. CF-URL is a small Rust-based CLI tool that turns short commands into browser links to specific Cloudflare dashboard pages. Instead of hunting through the web UI, you can run commands to open the corresponding Cloudflare pages instantly in your browser. It's licensed under MIT and installs via Cargo, making it easy to slot into existing Rust workflows or local tooling. For developers and operators managing multiple zones, DNS, workers, R2 buckets, databases, analytics, and more, this tool saves tiny chunks of time that quickly add up to a smoother day. Limitation, not specified in the repo. Roadmap, not specified in the repo. Give it a try and see how quickly it becomes part of your routine. Project number 7, Claude-Design-Skill, UI crafting skill for Claude code. Here's something that feels like a creative boost for teams building user interfaces with AI assistance. Claude-Design-Skill is a community-driven Claude code skill that guides the AI to generate crafted, enterprise-grade UI designs instead of generic interfaces. Inspired by design systems from tools like Linear, Notion, Stripe, and Vercel, the skill encourages Claude to pick design directions like warmth and approachability or precision and density, enforce a 4px grid, consistent typography hierarchy, and avoid common UI anti-patterns. You install the skill into Claude Code, where it automatically activates when generating UI code, or you can invoke it explicitly in prompts. It's built for designers and developers who want more intentional design results from AI tools, and comes with a sample before and after visual comparison. Limitation not specified in the repo. Roadmap not specified in the repo. Try it today and watch how your workflow transforms instantly. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed this, like the video, subscribe, and comment with your favorite repo from this list. Don't forget to star the projects and try the demos linked in the description. Turn on notifications and share ideas for what you want to see in upcoming videos.